My father is the best father. Every child views their father through a unique lens, shaped by personal experiences and cherished memories. For me, my father stands as an extraordinary figure, the epitome of kindness, strength, and wisdom. This story is my tribute to him, showcasing why he is the best father anyone could ask for. Growing up in a small, bustling town, my father wore many hats: provider, protector, teacher, and friend. Each role he played was filled with unwavering dedication. His day started before the sun rose, preparing for his job at the local factory. Despite the long hours and the exhausting work, he always returned home with a smile that lit up our house. That smile was a reminder of his love and commitment to our family. One summer evening, when I was about 8 years old, my father taught me an unforgettable lesson about patience and perseverance. I was struggling to learn how to ride a bicycle, frustrated by my repeated failures. My knees were scraped, and tears blurred my vision. But there he was, crouched down beside me, his hands steady on the handlebars, his voice a calm anchor amidst my storm. "You'll get it, son," he said with a reassuring smile. "Every fall is just a step closer to success." It took an entire week of determination, countless attempts, and his unwavering support, but I finally managed to ride without falling. The look of pride in his eyes was worth every bruise. That moment taught me that success is not about avoiding failure but learning to rise each time we fall. My father's patience became the cornerstone of my character. He also had a knack for storytelling, a talent that brought our family closer. Every night, he would gather my siblings and me around the dinner table and regale us with tales from his own childhood. These stories weren't just entertaining, they were lessons wrapped in humor and warmth. He talked about his struggles growing up in a poor village, his adventures with his siblings, and the values his parents instilled in him. One story that stood out was about a mango tree he and his siblings planted as children. They cared for it, watering it daily despite having limited resources. Years later, that tree bore fruit, not just for their family but for the entire village. The tree became a symbol of the rewards of hard work and generosity, qualities my father embodied every day. As I grew older, I began to see a different side of him. He wasn't just a hero but also a human being with his own struggles and fears. During my teenage years, our family faced financial difficulties. I noticed the weight of worry etched on his face, but he never let it dampen his spirit. Instead, he worked tirelessly, taking on additional jobs to ensure we lacked nothing. When I asked him once if he ever felt tired, he chuckled and said, "Tiredness disappears when you're working for those you love." One of the most poignant memories I have of my father is from my high school graduation. I had won a scholarship to a prestigious university, something that felt like a dream come true. As I walked across the stage to receive my diploma, I saw him standing in the crowd, clapping enthusiastically, tears glistening in his eyes. After the ceremony, he hugged me tightly and whispered, "You've made all the sacrifices worth it." His pride in me fueled my ambition, and his unwavering belief in my abilities gave me the confidence to chase my dreams. Even when I moved away for college, his presence remained a guiding force. We would talk over the phone almost daily, his voice a constant source of comfort. "Remember where you came from," he'd often say, "and never forget to be kind." As I navigated adulthood, I realized that the lessons my father imparted were gifts that would last a lifetime. He taught me to value relationships over material possessions, to face challenges with courage, and to always extend a helping hand to those in need. His actions spoke louder than words, setting an example of integrity and compassion. Now, as a father myself, I find myself echoing his wisdom to my own children. I see pieces of him in the way I nurture their dreams, comfort them in their struggles, and share stories that teach valuable lessons. My father's legacy lives on through me, a testament to the profound impact he has had on my life. To this day, he remains my greatest role model. Even in his older years, his enthusiasm for life is infectious. He spends his mornings tending to his garden, a peaceful heaven he created with his own hands. Every time I visit, he proudly shows me the new flowers blooming or the vegetables ready for harvest. Life, he says, is like a garden. It requires care, patience, and love to thrive. My father is the best father because he taught me the true meaning of love and sacrifice. He showed me that greatness lies not in grand gestures but in the everyday acts of kindness and dedication. His life is a blueprint of how to be a good person, a loving parent, and a pillar of strength for others. If there's one thing I've learned, it's that the measure of a father's love is not in words but in actions. My father's actions have spoken volumes, creating a legacy that I am proud to carry forward. He is not just my father, he is my hero, my mentor, and my friend. And for that, I will always be grateful.